Welcome my dear students in Prep 2. Our session today is the last session in geometry. We will talk about the triangle inequality. Okay, not any side length can be a side length of a triangle because we have some conditions. The first one, that the summation of any two sides should be greater than the third side. Here, for example, if you add the side length of AB plus the side length of AC, it should be greater than BC. And by the same way, if you add BC plus AC, it should be greater than AB. Okay, so the length of any side of the triangle should be greater than the difference between the length of the other two sides and at the same time less than their summation. It means that the length of the third side should be greater than the difference and less than the summation of the two sides. Now we can determine if the length can be a length of triangle or not. Here we have three lengths, and you want to know which of the following can be a side of triangle. The first one, we have 2, 3, and 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. It's greater than 4. Okay. If you have 2 and 3, it means that the third side should be greater than 1 and less than 5, and 4 is greater than 1 and less than 5, so it can be a side of triangle. Here we have 3, 6, and 2. Okay, 3 and 6, two side lengths in triangle, so the third side should be between 3 greater than 3 and less than 9, but 2 is not greater than 3. So it can't be a side length of a triangle. If you notice here, 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is less than 6. Okay, the next one, by the same way, I'll add 5 plus 7.5 to 12.5, greater than 12, so it can be a length of a side triangle. I'll add the smaller two, or the smallest two sides, and the summation should be greater than the third. Here, for example, 5 plus 7.5 is 12. 12.5, it's greater than 12. Here, for example, we have 3 plus 7 is 10. It's less than 10, so it can't be a side of triangle. Okay, the last question here, find the interval to which the length of the third side belongs. Which of the following triangle? The first one, I have two lengths, 6 and 7. So the third side length should be between the difference and the summation. What does it mean? It means that it should be between 7 minus 6 is 1, so between 1 and 13. Okay, open interval from 1 to 13. This is the difference, and here is the summation. By the same way, here it should be greater than 0 and less than 15, because 7.5 plus 7.5 is 15. This is the summation, and the difference is 7.5 minus 7.5 is 0. You can do the last one. It's very easy. The difference here is 3, and so the summation is 15, so also the open interval from 3 to 15. Okay, that's all about our session today. That's all about our geometry in this term. I hope you have understand. I want you to study hard, and I hope for you good luck. Okay, thank you very much, and goodbye.